Kung may agam-agam magmula sa inyo bago pumasok yung aking ito, but you took on the challenge, you were courageous enough.
Actions niya kasi nga dito, di ba, parang yun yung bilin sa akin talaga ng tatay ko nung papasok ako, huwag kang galawgaw. Kasi nang magaslaw ako, so parang sabi niya, mag-ingat kasi kilos mo, mga gagawin mo, yung upo mo, yun kasi lagi nang pinagawa sa bahay, para daw kasi ako may something sa gitna kapag lagi ang nakapag-ganyan. So ayun, feeling ko ngayon, I'm more presentable, I'm more than you. Wow! I'm prettier, yeah! Ayun lang, mas pinalaga na ako sa sarili ko, no? Thank you so much for that very wonderful day.
Next naman po kay her mom, at Clam. So, you had a lot of iconic moments on the show. Is there anything you regret or wish you had done differently?
Siguro yung Europa. Italungan. For me, siguro yung OA moment namin. Siguro, sana mas nahandle ko siya ng maayos or mas sinabaan ko pa yung pasensya ko or mas sinawa ko yung pag-unawa ko para medyo naiwasan ko yung dalawang harapan, di ba? Actually, talaga hindi ko na naiwasan that time. Siguro nagkalo-halo yung emosyon, yung pressure as a task leader, yung wala pa kami oras para magsalita. So, ayun, siguro sana mas nahandle ko siya ng maayos. So, yeah, I'm so sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hindi, sorry. So, ayun, at saka yung nalasing ako. Sana pala medyo...
nalasing ka mo?
Sana pala medyo, naghinay-hinay ako. Di ba, para naman hindi na nadami si Shubi sa lapel. So, ayun, yun naman. Pero, nevertheless, sobrang, ang saya naman ng memories na yun. Actually, gusto ko siyang ulitin.
Okay, the last question is for Bianca. So, after your PBB journey, did your perspective on love and friendship change?
Wow. Ako naman, siguro one of the major things that I learned inside this house is that no relationship or friendship is picture perfect. As much as you try to control the situation, hindi talaga, wala talaga, hindi mo siya makakontrol. But with my housemates, with the people that I've grown to love, I really learned how, naggalit ako with them, I laughed with them, I've discovered so many new emotions with them. But I guess at the end of the day, yung isa kasi sa mga fears namin, nung dito pa kami sa labas, was that kapag nasa outside world ba tayo, magbabago ba kasi may tingin na ng outside world, tapos may distractions na. But one thing na pinangahawakan ko talaga yung namin lahat is that at the end of the day, we need to choose each other. So I guess that's one of the main things that I learned is panindigan yung isa't isa, yung friendship na at yung pag-iiyak na buo namin dito sa
Thank you po, stay book and busy.
Yes, thank you, Gia Bote of When in Manila. Alright, thank you so much. And that concludes our questions, or our, question and answer portion with our friends from the media. Thank you to our friends from the media for being here.
Yes, so much.
And that wraps up our first batch for today's Spotlight Press Conference. Napakagod po natin ang kapamilya kay Southeast natin. Here are sa Hill at Iklan.
Ang kapamilya sa loob ng aking bahay.
All of your this. Set your goals, dream, and dream big. You want to do that not only for your family, but most importantly for yourself.
Instrumento rin sila para mas masubok ang samahan ng housemates at mas makilala pa nila ang isa't isa.
Pwede ko yung tao lang.
Bukod sa tulong nila sa makahabol. Ipinaramdam din nila sa housemates ko ang pagmamahal ng isang kapamilya.
Love you, Erica. Love you, Vine.
My magic dito sa bahay. It's not just the house, it's the people that's in it.
Kaya naman, muli, maraming salamat. aking kapamilya house guests sa pagtanggap ng aking imbitasyon at pagbabahagi ng ningning ng inyong mga bituin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Meme.
Congratulations once again to our PBB Collab housemates! Grabe yung naging journey ninyo. At ito naman, we have something here for Ate Clam. We want to hear your reaction dun sa BTR na yun.
Wow! Wow, sobrang nakakaiyak actually. Parang nagiging emotional kami lahat dito kasi nalumbalik lahat eh. Naalala namin every guest, each guest kasi meron kami natutulong mga lessons. Iba't iba yung nabigay nila sa aming memories, diba? Diyan yung game night namin, si Michelle D, lahat. Iba-iba yung nabigay sa aming mga memorya na hindi namin makakalimutan. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami syempre sa lahat ng mga house guests na binisita kami lahat dito. Dahil, syempre diba, hindi naman madali yung bibisita sila dito. Ilan na sila. So alam ko sobrang busy nila lahat. But still, gumawa sila ng time para sa amin lahat dito. Makasama kami lahat. And I hope sana nag-enjoy sila sa stay nila. Kasama kami lahat dito. And ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako. Nakakamiss yung boses ni Kuya. Nakakamiss. Kahit parang isipon siya dyan. Ayun, nakakamiss si Kuya lahat. Lahat po ng samahan namin dito, I know, sana manatili itong gato tayo solid, guys. Siyempre, diba? I just wanna thank you all. So, ayun, sobrang maraming salamat po sa inyo, Kuya, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PBB Collab. Maraming salamat po. Grabe po yung nabigay niyo sa aming opportunities. Ang dami. Lumabas po kami dito na lahat kami, ibang-iba na lahat. Sobrang laki pong naitulong nyo sa amin lahat. Maraming salamat po kay Direk. Direk, thank you so much, Direk. Guwapo mo, Direk. Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PBB Collab. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Clam. And syempre, again, congratulations to you guys. A journey full of tears, laughter, lahat na everything in between. I'm sure you guys felt so many things inside dito sa bahay ni Kuya. And ngayon naman, of course, another surprise para sa inyo. We would like to now call on the head of ABS-CBN Production at Star Magic, Direk Lawrence Joaquin!
Napakaingay na bahay na. Anyway, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody who's present here, watching online. Salamat for being here today to witness our Thanksgiving. This is on behalf of Star Magic and ABS-CBN. Actually, we would like to thank first the team of PBB for doing a very successful show. To the house guests who went inside the house, but most importantly sa inyong sampung minamahal namin Star Magic artists. Thank you very much. You did a wonderful job. Alam niyo naman, this is one of the most successful edition, and it would not have been possible kundi dahil sa inyong sampu at siyempre sa mga kasamahan natin at puso artists, sparkle artists. Kanina tinatanong kaya, remember you asked kung ano sana yung what do you want to be remembered for? Tama ba? Ikaw may tinanong kanina? Diba? Oh, I hope you remember this season for a cast of wonderful artists and human beings. So more than anything, hindi po sila naging artista sa bahay na to. Sila po ay nagpakatotoo, sila po ay nagpakita ng kanilang kahinaan at kalakasan. And I hope people will find inspiration sa pinagdaanan nilang buhay, sa tapang na pinakita niyo. We would like to thank you for the courage. Alam ko may agam-agam ang ilan sa inyo bago pumasok yung akin na to. But you took on the challenge. You were courageous enough to share your life plan, especially you. I know it was daring step for you to do that. But I hope it was liberating also for you. And when I see you perform now, parang ibang-iba na yung nakikita ko. And I hope you all be humble, diba? Minahal kayo ng tao. And sana yung pagmamahal na yun, you keep it, you keep that core memory. Kasi hindi na itong bahay na to, hindi natin alam kung kailan na lang to. You know, this is also up for not being with us for a long time. So again, maraming salamat sa inyo, AC, Emilio, mga nasa ibang bayan, nasa ibang lugar. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for being a housemate. You are really a wonderful set of housemates. At hindi kayo makakalimutan ng sambayanan dahil sa pinakita niyong samahan at pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Again, thank you very much on behalf of your Star Magic family and ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. Let's give it up for Direk Lawrence. Thank you, Direk. And syempre, ngayon naman, before we conclude our Spotlight press conference for tonight, it's time for you guys to thank all of your supporters. Starting things off with AC. Go ahead, AC.
Nagugulat po ako lagi. Yes, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat. I want to thank Direk Lauren, I want to thank Star Magic, the BBB team, the cast and crew will now also become our family po. Sa mga kapusang housemates namin, mga AC Fanatics who have been supporting me since the beginning and through all of this, nandun pa rin kayo. Yan po, and of course the media who have been taking their time to be here from the beginning of the season until now. Maraming salamat po. And to everyone who just supported the show. Thank you po. It means a lot to all of us. Thank you for being on our journey with us.
Thank you, AC. Okay, Kira, go ahead.
Unang-una po sa lahat, thank you so much to all of our friends at the press for taking the time to be here with us. Thank you po, Direk Lauren, for giving us all this wonderful opportunity, this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I'd like to call it. Thank you to every single person na sumubaybay sa aming season, who laughed with us, who cried with us, and who supported us through trying times. I hope we were able to entertain you all, and this PBB journey may be over, but it will continue all individually, and I hope na kasama po namin kayo pa rin. So yun, thank you so much to my dear housemates. I love you all. You guys know this, and I'm so excited to see how we will all grow individually. Thank you.
Kira, go ahead. Okay lang. Thank you, Kira. Okay, next naman, Emilio.
Hello everybody, maraming salamat ulit kay Direk Lauren, Tito Cory, Tito Carlo, Tito Mark, of course, lahat ng buong PBB, of course, the Smartphones and engineering, maraming salamat. Of course, from 10 fans to now, many more, maraming salamat to Emilio Buddies, Emilio Dalsquad, and all the fandoms na patuloy ang suporta. Maraming salamat po. Of course, last but not the least, my housemate. Mga kapamilyas yan, I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Emilio from Australia. Okay, next naman, Cyril, go ahead.
Ayan, gusto lang po namin na pasalamatan po yung mga nag-isip po ng mga makabuluhang tanong para po hindi lang malaman yung mga sagot namin, pero para bigyan kami ng opportunity para ilabas yung mga side na hindi pa nakikita ng ibang tao na nanonood tayo. And gusto rin po namin pasalamatan ng isa't isa dahil naging support system po talaga namin ng isa't isa sa loob at sa labas po ng bahay, within the season and after the season. And thank you rin po for hosting us. Thank you everyone na kasama po namin online. And thank you to Emilio and AC na kahit malayo sila, sinamahan kami for this event.
Thank you, Cyril. Okay, Ate Clango.
Yes, gusto ko syempre magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng press, sa buo po ng press dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagbisita, sa lahat po ng oras para sa aming lahat. Ang gaganda po po ninyo. Thank you so much. And syempre, to my Star Magic family, maraming salamat po na rin. Thank you so much. Sir Marcus, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, Ate Patch. Sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin dito sa buong journey namin sa PBB Collab. And of course, Tita Cory, thank you so much. I love you, Tita Cory. Sir Carlo, thank you so much. Ayan, sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po sa amin, sumuporta sa buong journey po namin dito sa PBB Collab, kapuso, manood, kapatid, maraming salamat po. Sana po ay napasaya namin kayo sa loob ng 4 na buwan. Ayan po. So, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at sana po hindi po kayo magsawang sumuporta sa amin lahat. Lahat po kami dito. Ayan. And to all my fellow housemates,
Yes!
I love you all. Akwa!
Thank you so much, Ate Clang. Go, Bianx.
First and foremost, we would like to thank everybody that is And to our ABS-CBN family, thank you for making this possible. We wouldn't have done this without your unconditional support. At salamat din po sa pagtataya sa amin lahat. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. We hope to see you soon. Magkita-kita po tayo soon sa Full Love Concert.
May sabi na
Ayun, and lastly, of course, to Kuya, mahal na mahal po namin kayo always and forever. And to my dear housemates.
Mukha ko sa Kuya.
And to my dear housemates, I'm very proud of you all. I can't wait to see you all shine. So, ayun, thank you guys.
Thank you, Bianx. Go River.
And first of all, thank you to the press for your time and for all the questions. And syempre, I just want to thank Direct Lauren, the ABS-CBN bosses, the GMA bosses, the PBB production team. Grabe kayo, none of this would have been possible without you guys. At syempre sa mga sumusuporta sa amin lahat, maraming salamat talaga. Thank you for supporting us not just inside the house, pero dito rin sa outside world. Kaya thank you, and it's our time now to fight for you guys. And we hope to see you nga sa Araneta Coliseum for our concert. And thank you po.
Thank you, River. Okay, go Isnir.
Yes! Maraming salamat po sa ating mga press! Thank you so much! Press to you guys and press be to God to y'all. Tapos, maraming salamat din po, of course, sa aming Star Magic family! Yes, for our ABS-CBN family, to our bosses, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am. Thank you po. Si Cory, si Direct Lauren, Sir Mark, Sir Carlo, thank you so much po. And of course, to you. Maraming salamat for supporting me, supporting us through our journey. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ng storya namin. Gusto ko din magpasalamat sa mga housemates ko, lalo na kay Mom. Thank you, Mom, kasi sinabi mong favorite mo ko. You ended all the rumors, ate. At mahal ko kayong lahat, lalo na sa isa dyan. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Dala-dala namin kayo always. Okay, kumain kayo sa tamang oras kung magpagutom. Okay, love you all.
Thank you, Esmir. Okay, ito naman si Ralph. Go.
Grabe, paano susundan na? Ayun, so thank you so much sa lahat ng media and press na pumunta dito. Siyempre, sa lahat ng ABS Star Magic family namin, sa GMA family namin, and of course sa PBB, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala at the trust that you put in us will not go unpaid for. Basta, ayun. So, ayun, sa pinamahal mo namin taong bayan. Yan, thank you so much sa pagsubaybay sa 4 months namin dito. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na binigay niyo sa amin. At sa lahat ng housemates dito, I love you guys. Can't wait to perform with you guys sa collab concert sa August 10. See you guys sa Araneta, everybody. Love ya.
Thank you so much, Ralph. Last but not least, our big winner!
Siyempre, sa press po natin na nag-take po ng time ulit. Maraming pong salamat. To my Star Magic family, Direk Lauren, thank you so much po. Sa bubuo ng production ng PBB, kayo po yung kasama namin ng pupuyat dito. Maraming pong salamat, Ate Patch, Sir Marcos, thank you po. Sa mga housemates, maraming salamat. Bawat ko, lahat ng mga kwento nyo dito, lahat ng mga na-share nyo sa akin, hindi ko kakalimutan. And then, siyempre sa inyo, mga sumusuporta sa amin, maraming pong salamat. Lagi po sinasabi, wala kami dito ngayon, hindi dahil sa inyo. Kaya, sana masuportahan niyo din po kami sa paparating na concert namin sa August 10 sa Araneta Coliseum! Kaya yun po.
Thank you so much. Once again, guys, pinapakan po natin ang ating kapamilya housemates our collab PBB season. Okay, once again, thank you guys so much for joining us, friends from the media, Team Bahay. Thank you so much for joining us for our Star Magic Spotlight press conference with our PBB collab housemates. Again, my name is Ayana Perlas, your host for today. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll see you guys again next time.
Thank you, Mom!